Today I'm trimming a white oak tree, but these pertain to red oaks too. And they should be trimmed. It's the middle of January in Minnesota. It's about 15 degrees out. Forecast for the next week is below zero at night and single digits for high, which is ideal time to trim these trees. If you trim them during warmer weather, they're susceptible to oak wilt. So on this branch, there's a bud right there. So I have a bypass trimmer, which I think are the best. I don't like anvils because they tend to crush the wood, which makes it more susceptible to disease. A nice sharp bypass trimmer gives a really nice cut. And when you're trimming these, there's a bud right there. You want to go 1/4 of an inch past and cut it at a 45-degree angle. Doing that will stimulate that bud to send out another branch. And that's for trimming smaller branches. I'm trimming that way. But if you're trimming something that's larger, here's an example here. You can see this collar right here. If I was going to trim this branch off, I'd want to cut it out here or outside the collar. All trees have that collar. It depends on the size of the branches and things though. But if you cut right up here next to the bark, real close to the trunk, in this collar, there's chemicals and things that help it heal over. But if you cut it here, that won't happen. The wound will stay open, more susceptible to disease. If you cut it out here on the outside of that collar, that will heal over. For example, this one right here I cut off years ago. And see how nicely that's healed up? That's what you want. And just if you cut inside that collar, it's bad. And that goes for any pruning. So just remember, wintertime, cold, brutally cold, is the best time to trim oak trees, for Minnesota anyways. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.